Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for sell and one stock for buy for Thursday. That is Jan 19th. And we are also going to discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty, and it's going to be weekly expiry for Nifty Bank Nifty, friends. Okay, just to give you a heads up, LT outperformed again today. We had identified LT at this levels. Okay, 2208. It is at 2364 now. It made a high of 2273. Okay, don't worry. I have told you that we can capture such momentums once in a while only. Those of us who have missed this rally, it's okay. We will find another such stock for you and continue to watch the videos, friends. Coming to our day's stocks, I had given M&M for a buy. You can see there was a kind of a breakout situation that it has created here, and that came back at the same level called a retest. Now the chances of it to break out again is very high. It is facing rejection at somewhere near 1323, friends. 1322.5, 1323. So once it crosses this level is when it will go ahead and give you targets of 1338 and so on upwards. Okay, so until then we'll have to still wait. Coming to stock, that was Adani Ports. It started here straight to our target. Okay, then it retraced. It cannot stay there. It was at a very good low. Retraced. You can see again fall. Okay, so it closed below its start. In case of M&M, it started here, closed above. Okay, coming to Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, friends. You see we were bullish on the market and Nifty outperformed, went upwards, and it is near a congestion zone. Now here there is a kind of a range that it created towards the end of the day. After 11 o'clock there was hardly any momentum that we could see in Nifty. So what is important now? Now if you look at it, this is the upper range and this is the lower range for Nifty. We can create buy positions at break of this upper range. I can actually move it little more down somewhere here. Okay, at the break of this we can create buy positions. Now how will we create buy positions if there is a downward momentum? For that we will go ahead and keep our Fibo ready from the bottom to the recent top. Our buy levels are very simple, friends. First level is here, second level is here, third level is here. This would be the best place to enter if you get a chance, friends. The level is 18060. Why? Because at this level you also see that previous resistances will act like a support. Okay, so this would be the best place to enter. Coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, again similar story. I like to analyze Bank Nifty on 1 minute. What it did is, see, in yesterday's video, if you remember, we had given this particular trend line, and I told you if a breakout of this trend line, or if you see it touching this trend line, you can create a buy position. For this, we also created a Fibo here. Okay, and I told you that this would be the right place to enter. And that's exactly happened. From here it will go ahead and straight moved up. And then what happened? You can see, friends, there was a head and shoulder pattern that got created here. This is your head, this is your head, and this is your shoulder. This was your left shoulder, head and right shoulder. After that it created confusion for a good amount of time and then started falling, friends. Now I expected this head and shoulder to fail and it continued to go up, but that's not something happened. What did I expect is simple. I had a Fibo like this. Okay, and at this level is what we expected it to touch and go upwards. It came till here, went till here, and again continued to fall and hit our stop loss. Okay, but did it go ahead and sustain that level down level? The answer is no. We were still bullish on it. It remained there. So I got another entry at this place with this kind of a trend line, friends. Not this trend line, this trend line followed by retest. And this is where I could actually make some money. We also saw a kind of a double bottom pattern that was forming and an upward momentum. My target was somewhere here and I can exit and made some money here. Anyways, part of the game. What do we see now? Now, very important point, friends. See, you remember this head and shoulder? It did not go up. But now, in Nifty, what has happened is, let me delete all this. Look at it carefully. I'll show something very nice to you. Now, you can see that there is a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Now, this is on a 5 minutes time frame, friends. Okay. And as we expected that it will not fall. Okay, that's exactly what happened. We also have the same thing here as a proof. This is your Fibo. And at this level, if we created a buy position and it started going up. Now what's next, friends? Simple, we have the Fibo ready. Now if in case we see a break of this trend line, there is a candle that forms above here. Okay, we'll wait for a retest. As soon as there is a retest like this, we will create our buy positions for a upward target. Okay, what would be our target? Our target would be simple. First target would be this 798, 42,798. Second target would be 42,860 points. At this level, we also see multiple places where Bank Nifty can come down. Now, what would be a smart way of trading in options here? As long as Bank Nifty is in this particular zone, you would not be taking any trade. I'm just keeping you posted. If you are an option buyer, make sure that you are not taking trades until Bank Nifty is in this particular zone. Why? Because your theta will kill the entire premium. You will not be making money. Even if you buy somewhere at this level and at this level, okay, you will not make money, friends. You'll hardly make very less amount of money. But if you buy after this level, that's when you will see a big move. Because there is an expiry, friends. Listen to this part of video very carefully. Because there is an expiry tomorrow, we need to capture sharp move if we are option buyers, friends. I hope you got it clear. You'll say I did not tell it, so I'm just repeating it. We need to capture sharp moves only. If there is a slow move like this going till here, it will not fetch us any money. Only after crossing this, and if it traces here, we create a buy position and it sharply moves up till its target here. Okay, that's when you would be making money, friends. Please make a note of this. Otherwise, tomorrow will be a day of option sellers where it will probably move up and continue to be there. And that's when you will not be able to make any money. Now, place where you can buy again. There are places where you can create buy positions. See, if in case it's coming here, you can create buy position at 42,461. The third place to buy would be 42,369. At this place, we also see a previous resistance, friends. So in this case, this is the best place for us to buy. Just in case, I don't expect this to happen, we see a downward movement. Okay, that's when what we would do is we would wait for this 61.8 levels to break, and at the retest of this level at 42,220 or 10, somewhere here is what we will sell, and that's when we'll wait for a sharp momentum and do put buying, friends. I hope you understood the logic behind how to make money if you are option buyers tomorrow. Okay, coming to the stock for the day, I am choosing M&M again as a buy stock. Simple reason, friends. We are seeing multiple attempts for it to go above this particular level. What is the level? The level is this one, which is 1320. Okay. So as soon as it breaks this particular level tomorrow, you will be able to see a very good momentum upwards. Okay. I'm not saying that it will go like LT. No, but you can go ahead and see a good momentum upwards. Why am I saying this? See, when it broke this level, you can see these candles, friends. This was the kind of candles that it created to break this levels. And after that, you see the candles, they're all small candles here throughout. Okay. So as soon as it breaks this level and starts going up, you will see similar kind of candles till at least this level, 1332 or 1335. Okay, till this area, you will see similar candles, big candles that will give big momentums in a very short period of time. How will you create buy positions? You can create buy positions by buying a call option at the money or little in the money. Probably 1320 would be the right place. Okay, I hope you understood the logic behind that. Coming to the sell stock. Sell stock we are choosing today Baj Finance, friends. Bajaj Finserv, not Baj Finance. And the reason is simple. You can see this is a level which it has been testing for multiple times. Whenever it is coming here, it's showing a upward momentum. Now, what's important in this upward momentum is, see, first time the high was made here. Second time the high was made here. Third time the high was made here. Fourth time it was made here. So there is a lower high formation that we can see. If I delete this entire thing, see, this is the trend line that we are talking about, and this is the trend line that we are talking about. So this is a triangle kind of pattern that it has formed, and as soon as this area is broken, you will see a quick downward momentum. Now the reason I'm saying it downward is because this is a flat level, friends. Just in case if this was a trend line like this, okay, so I would have expected a breakout in this case. Okay, I would be waiting for a breakout for an upward movement, but because this trend line is straight like this, we can expect a breakdown. And what you'll see is, first target would be below this candle, which is 1366. Second target would be 1362. And do we hit levels below that? The answer is no. Third target we'll have to select using our Fibonacci extension. So I'll just draw it for you. See, from the top to the bottom and till the recent high. So we can have a third target of 1347, friends. Okay. So that's how we would be creating sell positions in this particular stock. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do subscribe and also hit that like button so that the video would be shared with a wider audience. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable expiry tomorrow.